Removing default columns and empty rows in DataGridView C#. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of optimizing the DataGridView control in C#. Specifically, we'll demonstrate how to create data, grid, view, add columns and rows, remove default columns, remove last empty row. So, let's get started and optimize the DataGridView control together. First, we create a new DataGridView. Then we add columns. You can add column of your choice, which allowing you to define the exact structure you need. In our case, I choose to create 3 columns: first name, last name and job. As shown, the DataGridView is empty, so let's set default values. Here we directly add a new row to the DataGridView using the rows.add method. We provide the default values for the first name, last name, and job columns as arguments to the add method. Here, you may notice the existence of an empty default column and also an empty row at the end of DataGridView. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, we will guide you through the process of optimizing the DataGridView control and show how to remove both default empty columns and last empty row in DataGridView to make yours more user-friendly and efficient. Here's an optimized DataGridView. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on software development.